What you're watching may look like pure chaos, a massive building collapsing in seconds, concrete exploding outward, dust swallowing the skyline. But this isn't destruction. This is precision. Every demolition you see is the result of months of planning, calculations, and life or death decisions. Because bringing a building down is often more dangerous than building it in the first place. One mistake, one miscalculation, and a controlled demolition can turn into a catastrophic disaster. Before anything happens, engineers study the structure in extreme detail, original blueprints, materials used, reinforcement patterns, and most importantly, how the building carries its own weight. They identify load-bearing columns, stress points, and weaknesses. Because demolition isn't about fighting gravity, it's about guiding it. There are multiple ways to demolish a structure, each chosen based on risk, location, and purpose. Mechanical. Demolition uses massive excavators with hydraulic jaws to slowly tear buildings apart, floor by floor. It's loud, slow, and brutal, but effective when explosives are too dangerous. Deconstruction is slower still, with crews dismantling the building piece by piece to recover reusable materials. It's expensive, but safer for dense urban areas and better for the environment. Then there's the method that captures the world's attention, controlled implosion. This is where engineering becomes almost surgical. Explosives are placed deep inside the structure, usually on lower floors, targeting key columns that hold everything up. The goal isn't to blast the building apart, but to remove its support system in a precise sequence. When those supports disappear, gravity does the rest. The building folds inward, collapsing into its own footprint like a controlled fall. Timing is measured in milliseconds. Detonate too fast, and debris flies outward. Too slow, and the structure can tip, destroying nearby buildings and endangering lives. That's why entire neighborhoods are evacuated, streets are sealed, and emergency crews are positioned before the countdown even begins. Once the button is pressed, physics takes control, and there is no undo button. In less than 10 seconds, a structure that took decades to design, fund, and build is reduced to rubble. Demolition isn't about destruction, it's about mastery. It's about understanding forces powerful enough to kill and controlling them with absolute precision. Because in engineering, building something is impressive, but knowing exactly how to bring it down safely is what separates true expertise from chaos.